Alright, today I'm making 2 chocolate martinis. This first one is called Ovaltini. The first time I had this was at a martini bar in Rochester off Alexander called the Blue Room. And I loved it so much, we used to make it all the time. All it has in it is Absolut Vanilla and clear Creme De Cacao, the chocolatey cocoa. And I will put in here 2 parts of the Absolut Vanilla, maybe a little more, and 1 part of the clear Creme De Cacao. So I have the vanilla and I have the Creme De Cacao in here. Put the top on, shake it up. And they always put a Rolo, so I got some of these dark salted caramel Rolos, so we'll put a Rolo in there. They always had a Rolo instead of an olive. Alright, right there. There we go. And what I had some Trader Joe's sipping chocolate powder, and I just dipped the glass in there to get that on the rim. So here I got a delicious Ovaltini. Now this gave me an idea for the next drink, which we'll use Double Chocolate Vodka. We'll call this a Double Chocolate Martini, and we're gonna put a special dark chocolate kiss in there so we can tell the difference between the 2 drinks. I'll clean this out, and for this one we'll do 2 parts of this double dark chocolate vodka. A little bit more. And then we'll use the clear Creme De Cacao again. One part, clear Creme De Cacao. Shake it up and pour. Alright, so we got a double chocolate martini and an Ovaltini. Both are super delicious. So if you want to try these, go ahead and enjoy.